Now let's take a look at this number 9, the small application. So let's try to visualize what's going on here. It says a man drove 10 miles directly east. Uh, uh, because again, I want you to get the opportunity to do the problem. So I'm not going to use 10. How about I use 20? Okay, 20 mile directly east from his home. So I'm going to draw a XY coordinates, and you do know this is east, this is north. So this is what's happening, and 10 miles east, okay? And then made a left turn at an intersection and travel 5 mile north. So instead of 5 mile, how about I use say 2 miles north, okay? So in other words, say suppose this is 20 mile already, and then 2 miles north, okay? This is 2, okay? And then so this is where he works. That's where he works, okay? If a road was made directly from his home to his place of work, which means from his home to here, the question is what would its distance be to the nearest tenth of a mile? So in other words, we know this is 20 and this is 2. We want to find this distance, right? So this distance. So a couple ways to do that. One is some of you may have already thought about Pythagorean theorem. So you know this triangle here. Right triangle, this is 20, this is 2, and what is this? This is going to be square root of 20 square plus 2 square. So this is one way to do that, and then you do your algebra. Use your calculator. And another way to do that is, how about you begin with your home, which is 0, 0, the origin, right? And then the new point, the place of work here, it's going to be 20 and 2. Okay, so now you basically want to find the distance between 2 points. So you want to use the distance formula, which is d equals basically potentially the same as Pythagorean theorem. They originated from the same idea. Okay, so d you're going to use x2 minus x1, which is 20 minus 0 square plus y2 minus y1 square, which is 2 minus 0 square, which is equal to square root of 20 square plus 2 square, and then I'm going to leave this for you to compute in your either decimals or GeoGebra. But anyway, this is how I would do this problem. Again, your numbers will be different. I just changed that to 20 and 2.